Hello everyone, welcome back to Zach's Food Channel. Today we're going to be making Culver's Colby Jack Pub Burger, and it's going to have an A1 Pepper Mayo. But before we get started, I want to thank Andy Jones for making this cutting board for me. He made this for me for my food channel. Let's see, it's got my logo right here, and if I turn it over, the whole back of it's got my logo on it. It's very beautiful. And I thank you, Andy Jones, for making this for me. Colby Jack Pub Burger has a everything seasoning, like an everything bagel, on the buns. So we are gonna do that, just the tops, we don't need the bottoms. And we're gonna put, this is egg white, we're gonna put all over the top of this. And I'm making 2 of them just in case I mess up. And we're gonna sprinkle this with this everything seasoning. I've got the oven preheated to 350 degrees. We are gonna throw these in the oven for a few minutes to get that seasoning to stick on the top of the bun. So we're gonna stick these in the oven. While those are in the oven, we're gonna make our A1 Pepper Mayo. So we're gonna make about, probably about a 1/4 cup of mayo. That should be good. We don't need a lot, just making 1 burger for right now. Along with A1 steak sauce, just about, I don't know, teaspoon, doesn't take a lot. And some pepper, I like pepper, so I'm gonna add a lot to it. That should be good. We'll stir that up. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this A1, just a touch. So while we're waiting for those burgers, the burgers are gonna have this A1 Pepper Mayo on it. They're also gonna have Colby Jack cheese on it. And the patties themselves are 2 3/4 ounces. And they also have crispy fried onions. I know what you're saying, Zach. Why don't you make your own fried onions? Well, sometimes homemade things aren't made as good as what you can buy at the store, and this is one of them right here. So this is what we're gonna use. All right, I'm gonna check on the buns to see if they're ready yet. Okay, the tops of the buns are done. They are, like I said, it's everything seasoning, and it's on a brioche bun. So I'm gonna let them sit back here. And now we're gonna go out to the Blackstone, and we're gonna fry up the patties on the Blackstone. We're gonna put these burgers down. And we're gonna give them a smash here. And we're gonna season those with a little salt and pepper. These patties are 80-20. When you're making smash burgers, you don't want anything leaner than 80-20. They've got enough fat in them that, put a little pepper on here. They've got enough fat in them that I don't really need to grease the Blackstone. But I'm gonna grease it this side, because I'm gonna toast the buns over here. Just gonna do 1. I got this other one for a backup, just in case I mess up the first one. There we go. That's about what we want. These are ready to flip. See, you're starting to see the color change on top. That means it's time to flip. You gotta really scrape to get them off there. There we go, that's what we want. And we got that toasted up right there. And if you remember the Steak and Shake video, I really don't like a hard melt on my cheese, so I'm gonna put them on right now. Turn off the fire. And they should be done. We're gonna take these off. I'm gonna take these in the house and we're gonna build our burger. All right, let's build. I'm gonna get rid of this one. We don't need this one right now. I just use that as a backup in case I mess that one up. First, we're gonna start out with our sauce, our A1 Pepper Mayo. Make sure we got enough. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on both sides. All right, now let's put this on. Oh, we don't want to forget our crispy fried onions. All right, let's taste this. I just had one of these the other day and it was really good from Culver's, so I thought I'd recreate it. So here we go. Wow, they're always better when you make it at home. So there you go, there you have it. Culver's Colby Jack Pub Burger with A1 Pepper Mayo. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and thank you for watching this video.